I'm bored, I'm boring. Hello everyone, this is Ozzy teacher. Welcome back to our grammar series. Today we are fixing one of the most common mistakes in English. What is the difference between I'm bored and I'm boring? They look similar, but they are completely different. Let's make it clear. This is the key rule. Adjectives ending in at describe how someone feels. Adjectives ending in ing describe the thing or person that causes the feeling. Let's see examples. I'm bored. This describes my feeling. The movie is boring. This describes the movie. The movie causes the feeling. So, person with at, thing with ing. I'm tired, that's my feeling. This lesson is tiring. It causes tiredness. I'm excited. The trip is exciting. The trip creates excitement. Be careful. If you say I'm boring, you are not saying you feel bored. You are saying you make other people bored. That is a big difference. So choose carefully. Okay, pause the video and choose the correct words. Great job! Now you understand the pattern. Let's review. Add adjective describe feelings. Ing adjective describe the cause of the feeling. This small difference change the meaning completely. In the next lesson, we will talk about adjectives with preposition. For example, afraid of, interested in, good at. Write one sentence using at or ing adjective in the comments. This is Ozzy teacher. See you in the next lesson.